It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite Minnie Mouse ears for the Disneyland park. You guys, these are by Loungefly, and as you can tell, they kind of look like they're balloons. That's the whole point, but they're not. And for me, I've kept the tag on because I'm kind of curious as to whether these will be collectible one day, but you can cut the silicone tag off, no problem. I just tuck it in when I wear it, but these are super duper cute. So they aren't actually balloons. They're more of like a vinyl material, and that goes all the way from the ears to the bow and the other ear. Let me show you them on. So as you can see, they fit very, very unique in the sense that they still maintain that blown up balloon look. And I absolutely love it. I think it's very, very unique. It grabs attention, but it's not too much attention. They just look like you're carrying around some balloons at the Disneyland park. I mean, what more can you ask for? Another thing I love about these is how comfortable they are. So the pressure is just right. I don't feel like they're gonna fall off on a ride, but I also don't feel like they're too tight. They're just perfect. Let me actually show you inside the band so you can appreciate how comfortable they've made these. As you can see, it's almost like a velvet lining in there. So this comes in direct contact with your head or hair. So this provides for comfort, long day wear. And I do want to make mention of the embroidery on this side of the headband for Loungefly by Disney. It's just stunning. You guys, I love these Disney park ears. I think you will too. That's my point of view.